How to remove Ask Meta AI from WhatsApp. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So in order to remove Ask Meta AI from WhatsApp, it is quite easy and simple. Just you have to launch WhatsApp application on your device and then the Meta AI will be available at the top of the screen of WhatsApp. Just tap three dots at top right corner of WhatsApp and now go to settings. When you're on the settings page of WhatsApp, you can tap on privacy. Now on this privacy section, you will easily get Meta AI, but unfortunately there is no any option to delete the Meta AI from the privacy section. So what you need to do is you have to be aware that this Ask Meta AI option is the updated feature on WhatsApp. In order to remove this, you have to install and update or get the old version of WhatsApp from any browser you would like to. Suppose you can easily open Chrome and there you can search for WhatsApp old version and install that. But before that, you have to tap and hold WhatsApp application, tap I like button, and here on this app info page, you have to know the version of this WhatsApp. Once you know the version of the WhatsApp, you can easily back up the chat by going to WhatsApp. On the settings page, tap chats and at the bottom, tap on chat backup and you need to back up your old chats. And once you back up, you can easily install the old version and remove Ask Meta AI from WhatsApp. So that was quite easy and simple. Hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, like and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.